So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to deploy a React application on AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify is an offering from Amazon where it helps to build mobile and web applications with ease. Here we will be creating a CI/CD pipeline again for deploying, and all the pipeline will be managed and created by AWS. It hardly takes 3-4 minutes to deploy. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
So we have logged into our AWS Amazon console. As we go to AWS Amplify, we can click here to get started. As we are only hosting a website as of now, I will click on get started. I will be using the same repository which I have used in the last tutorial to create a manual CI/CD pipeline. So we select GitHub, we authorize GitHub. So now GitHub authorization is successful. After that, we will be using the same learn CI/CD repository and domain main branch. We'll click on next. Here is our the YAML file which will be used for creating a pipeline, and it automatically creates a sample YAML file to build the CI/CD pipeline. And based on our project, whether it if it is a React project, it builds based on that. If it's a Angular or a Next.js project, it creates automatically based on that. So there is no manual thing. And here, if you want to add any environment variables to your Docker file or the Docker image, you can manually create. In environment variables, you can store sensitive data like any database username, password, or any payment gateways tokens. So currently it's our is a sample project, so we will be ignoring as of now. We'll click on next, and oh, it's not working. Okay, I just click on next, save and deploy. So yeah, so immediately our CI/CD pipeline has been created. This will be the URL where application will be deployed. Here, first provision is done means here they create a instance. This create a Docker image instance. Okay, the build phase they will clone the repository, and they will do the front end part or the server part. Whatever manual commands you have written in that YAML file, each one will be executed here. Then if you have written any test, that will be completed here, and then it will be finally deployed in the S3 bucket from where it will be linked. So let's wait until our build is complete. So as you can see, there were no backend involved, like we didn't have any lambda functions or step function or any such things. So this has been skipped, and only we have the React front end, so that build process has been completed. And now there were no tests configured, so test has also been skipped, and now they have deployed the website. So as soon as we click here, domain, our deployment has been complete. So our web app React application has been deployed on Amazon Amplify in just 2 minutes. Since it is a CI/CD pipeline, so any commits changes we will make, it will be automatically rebuilt. So let's try to do that. In the src folder, if I go, if I change app.js, now learning CI/CD for React application using AWS Amplify, we'll commit. As soon as we commit the changes, update, okay, commit. As soon as we have committed the changes, update.js, again a build has been started with the latest changes. So let's check. So hey guys, again our build has been completed. So let's check as it is according to the new committed changes or not. So again, we are learning CI/CD for AWS using AWS Amplify. So automated CI/CD pipeline has been created by Amazon. It is maintained by Amazon. You can deploy your application in just 2 minutes. Actually, behind the scene, what it does, it creates a Docker image, and in that Docker images, it builds the Docker file, and then it deploys on the S3 bucket actually. And here you can configure your build settings using your build spec file. Suppose you want in a backend you are using a Python. In the pre-build, you can just write a Python command to download from the internet. So these are configurable, these are editable. Here also people write the test, how the test thing will run. And if there are any webhooks which you want to configure, you can configure it here. In the coming tutorial, I will plan to make some videos on webhooks also. That time it will be more clear. So that's all, guys. This time we have learned creating a CI/CD pipeline using AWS Amplify in just few minutes. Hope you like the videos. If you want to learn or know anything more in details, please put down in the comment section, and I will be trying to keep this channel updated with more tutorials on AWS. Thank you.